In this exercise, we want to talk about the relationship between decimal number, fractional number, and the percent. So let's review how is actually decimal number introduced. 52 is 52 divided by 1. 52 divided by 10 is 5.2. And 52 divided by 100 is 0.52. 52 divided by 1000 is 0.052. This is how the decimal numbers are introduced. See, instead of writing a fraction 52 over 10, we write 5.2. Means what? 52 divided by 10. This one is special because denominator is 100. And then we like to write 52 still as an integer instead of divided by 100. Then we write percent. So in this way, we do not write the decimal. So this is the key part between decimal number 0.52 and the fractional number 52 over 10 and percent. Everything is based on this example right here. You can see if here you have a 52, which is an integer percent, if you want to convert this number to decimal, so the point was somewhere here, 52 is 52.0 or 52.00, but here is decimal point is in front of 5. So that means if you want to convert a percent to decimal, really you need to do is shift this decimal point 2 units, 2 digits to the left. You see, it was here behind 2, now it goes to the front of 5. So 0.52. With this in our mind, then when you see the percent, you want to convert that to decimal. So you simply shift the decimal point 2 units to the left. That will be 0.43. So when you see this one, that's 52 out of 100 divided by 100. That for sure will be 0.52, and which is 52%. So that will be this answer, 52%. Here ask what percent of the free throws was made. So 52%. Now, this one, 53%, then 2 decimal point to the left. Then you would choose this one. Question 3, express percent as a decimal. You see, this is percent. You want to change to the decimal. That will be what? Each decimal point was here, then 2 digits to the left. So you will get right here. And 1.00 equals 1. So in this case, the answer will be 1. You would click this one. All right. So here is another example. Is you want to convert percent to the decimal. When you convert percent 100% to the decimal, you always do is 2 digit 2 digits to the left. So 514, the point is right here. You do shifting 2 digits to the left. So it's 5.14, which is the one right here. That's percent to the decimal. Here is the same thing, percent to the decimal. So 9.7%, this decimal point is between 9 and 7. Between 9 and 7, you want to shift 2 decimal points to the left. So it's going to be 0.097. It was here between 9 and 7. Now goes to the left. That will be 0.097. That would be 0.097. Shift decimal point between 9 and 7 to the left. So you would do is one right here. Okay. All right. Now, here is different now. Here is you have a decimal you want to do is to the percent. Then previously, when you do the percent to the decimal, percent to the decimal is 2 digits to the left. Now you do the opposite thing, that the decimal to the percent is then 2 digits to the right. 2 digits to the right, and here. From decimal to percent, you will do shift decimal point 2 digits to the right. So from here goes to here, and then you will know that's 0.9%. That would be the one right here, 0.9%. Okay, so this one is similar. From decimal to the percent, 2 digits to the right. That's 3.8%. That would be this one. 2 digits to the right. That's 3.8%. That would be the one right here. Now, here is different now. Here you want to do is to express the percent as a fraction, no more decimal. Again, recall how was the percent introduced. The percent was introduced if the denominator is 100. If you want to get rid of this percent sign, you need to have this integer 10 over 100. So you see then, this integer 10 over 100, you want to write in this way. That was how percent was introduced. Okay? When denominator is 100, then you just write in this way. Integer with this percent sign. It goes back to the original meaning. That will be 10 divided by a special integer 100. So then you cancel these 2 zeros upstairs and downstairs. It's basically upstairs divided by 10 and downstairs divided by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 100 divided by 10 is 10. Okay, so that's how we got this choice, 1/10. Again, get rid of this percent sign is just simply use the number in front of the percent sign divided by 100. That's it. So this one would be the same. 0.6% is 0.6 divided by 100. 0.6 divided by 100. Then you would multiply it by 100. So multiplied by 10 upstairs and downstairs. So you then have a 0.6 times 10, which is 6. And 100 times 10 is 1,000. You then divide it by 2 upstairs and downstairs, because 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1,000 divided by 2 is 500. Now, we want to eliminate that common factor 2 upstairs and downstairs. That's why we divide those two numbers by 2. Divide 6 and 1,000 by 2. We know there is a factor in 2 in 6. There is a factor 2 in 1,000. So the final answer for this one would be 3 over 500. That's this one. Similarly, this one is the same. 5 over 8% is 5 over 8 divided by 100. That's it. 5 over 8 divided by 100. You will write like 5 over 8 times 1 over 100. There is a common factor 5 upstairs and downstairs. So 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 1, you have a 1. 8 times 100 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. And then 20 times 8 is 160. So numerator is 1, denominator is 160. And this will be our choice. Okay? All right, I'll see you next time.